हेलो व्यूअर्स, आई एम दिव्य सुराना। यू आर वाचिंग डीएस बिजनेस पॉइंट। आज हम लोग अलग अलग टाइम, अलग अलग चीज सबको पीछे हटाकर आज एक नए साल की, नए दिन से शुरुआत करने वाले हैं। नया साल, द न्यू ईयर that has come. The last year has come with a pandemic situation, but the people of a country and the many peoples who are owning the business, they have seen the real fluctuations in their business. They are the topic of today is how to reach to the consumer. Today the people, many retail shops, many retail owners, many wholesale owners are not getting the consumer so easily. So in this video we are talking about how to get to consumers so easily and with the easy and the problem solving method. This method will help you to go with your consumers and fulfill the needs of your consumer, what the consumer wants. If the consumer is not coming to you, how to go to the consumer with your all stuffs and all your stocks. Today I have get the chance to come up with a new year after a 1 month relief from this channels. Then I have come back with a new content, new fresh videos and a new think of mind and new direction and new aim. So you have also targeted your aim of this year in your business. We are mainly talking about the business. Yes, I have seen many videos of mine also. I am talking about the business. Then I think that I like to motivate. I can motivate you. If yes, so please thumbs up in the comment box. So I will make a motivation and strategic video about the many things and the daily routine, how to get change, how to get more things. Today I am here to solve the problem. The problem is that how to go to the consumer. The consumer is not coming to you. I am not pointing to you. There are many people in the India. If you've seen anyone, so please send this video to him. He will get relief from his daily fluctuation from his business. The many businesses I have seen that are getting fluctuated by the pandemic. Yes, we have seen real pandemic in the business, and the pandemic has changed the full form of your business into any other. The fluctuation and the form, we can change it. If the consumer is not coming to your shop, your showroom, anywhere, outlets, so how to go to consumer? That is very easy way. That the easy way is for the retail people, the retail shops that are not having any identity in the whole country. If they are having the identity, so it is in his or her state or the city or its village or the town. So how to reach to the many people? If you are getting the less consumer, how to reach to the more consumer? You have to go, the consumer is not come to you unless you have changed and you have attracted them. The many companies have started where the people are attracted with the Apple. Yes, many people are attracted with the Apple. That's why the Apple is growing more, because first of all they have seen the problems of the consumers. The real Apple have solved the problem of a security. So Apple, the peoples are attracted with the Apple. So how the people can attracted by your own company firm? The many types of the people are in the India. In my country, in my town, there are many types of people, and your country, your town, the many types of people. How to go to the people? First of all, we have seen the 3 stages. If your product is so good, so will and have a worth, Mark my word, have a worth. Your product should be have a worth of your price. Then only the people will allow your things to come and allow their mind to attracted with your firm and your company or your shop, anything. The many retailers are selling the products on the Amazon. Yes, it is right. To reaching the many people. But that is the one problem. They are selling the products, but they are not selling their promotion. They are not doing promotion. They are not selling their brand, or they are not selling the shop sticker only. The box you have opened, that is come up with the Amazon or any other e-commerce stores. Boss, there is no name written from the shopkeepers unless you have seen any bill. So how to reach? That is the main thing. You can reach by a social media platform. That is really can help you with a low cost budget, because if you are having no money, no content, you are having no worth unless your product will not going or attracted by the product will not get the attraction from the eyes of a people of your country or your town. If you are in the town, if you are in the country, you have to promote yourself. So how to promote? You can create the many forms, like you can create the websites that can help you to get your promotions and get your product to be sold. If you are not having that much money, so you can go to the social media platform and get the more customers. You can start up with that. If the customers will if you are having a YouTube channel or nothing, you are having the Instagram page or you are having a Facebook, Twitter, anything. So you have to say that the customers, if the customer follow your page or subscribe your channel, so you will give them a 2% or 5% cashback. That will be enough. If the 100 people are your followers, so you will reach to the 1,000 people. That are the common things. In the natural and the physical market, you cannot reach to the 1,000 people if you are having the 100 people. That can help you to get more attracted and eyeball attention to your product or if you are not having your product. Yes, you are the retailer, so company is having a product. So how to sell the product? Because the company had made it, you cannot make any changes and you are not make any MRP differences. How can you sell? You can give the good deals. Like how? You can give the 5% cashback, or you can give the any gift and any vouchers. You can with the many schemes. The people in the 2021, we can have many types of jobs, many types of people, many types of business. But the main thing, the people are shifting their businesses. Why? Because they are not getting the flow of their consumers. The main reason for the shifting is that they are not getting the flow. To maintain that flow, you need the social media, or how can you reach to the 1,000 peoples or 1,000 peoples in the sitting with your town? The many peoples are get attracted with your product. If you are get and you are promoted well, the product should be worth it, and look wise it is quite good, because in the e-commerce stores the product need to be good looking, because you are not getting the physical touch. That's why if you are seeing the photo, so photo will be more attracted to the eye. If the photo has corrected and cached by properly with the angles, so there is a chance that you will get the eyeball attention from the people. If you are get your brand promoted, so you will get the flow and the many people, and you can do the businesses in the other countries. That is not tough thing. And I am like to make the videos about the strategy, but I like to make the motivation video, because I make the case studies, I make the business strategies, but I like to motivate because I want my country to get economically best. Why economically best? Because all things are continued. There is a cycle that are connected with the economic system. We will talk about this that whole concept of economic system or ecosystem of the economy surrounds it. In this video, this is all. We will wish you a happy new year. We know that that is the 1st January. Yes, you are starting with your new year with a new day. So take a aim, take a good chance, and get your chance. You have to make any aim. How can I grow, and how much I will grow in this year? There is no limit, but there is a stop loss, because you cannot go down. You want to go up. If you are not going up, you will. If you have to maintain that. You will not go down. Standing here, that standing. Don't go down. How to don't go down? To get the more attracted consumers. There is a consumer that makes you the retailer or the businessman. No one can make you the businessman unless there is no consumer. Because the people with the many businesses are coming in your field. I think that there is a more competition. So if you are having a low budget, so go on that field that will help you and your future and your success and your career. Because if you are of a 30, 40, 50, it does not matter. The matter is that you are having a good business career that will showcase your performance. What you have done in the 40 years or the 50 years or the 30 years or the 10 years in the business. So change your performance and change your aim and change your strategies, and like and subscribe my video and subscribe my channel, and go on the Instagram page and follow my Instagram total. So in this video, this is all, and you will get more videos because I get the more content for you guys. So watch my videos and like and subscribe and share with your friends who will need that 10